Usapang presidential debate pa rin, naghahanda na si Pangulong Joe Biden at dating Pangulong Donald Trump ng Estados Unidos para sa pinakaaabangang debate kaugnay ng eleksyon sa Nobyembre. Ayon sa isang eksperto, inaasahang paiinitin lalo ng debate ang patutsada ng dalawang kandidato. Narito si Jeff Sanidad para sa karagdagang detalye.
Ayon kay political analyst at Director of Debate ng University of Michigan, Aaron Call, ang una sa dalawang debate sa pagitan ni Pangulong Joe Biden at Donald Trump ay masasabing pinakamahalaga at pinakaaabangan sa kasaysayan ng Estados Unidos. Anya, nakasalalay sa kalalabasan ng debate ang magiging desisyon ng mga botante sa darating na Nobyembre.
The stakes of this debate in Atlanta tomorrow could not be any higher. It may be the most important and widely anticipated presidential debate in the United States of all time. The election is razor thin. Our last several elections have been very close. Everyone expects this to be very as well. Both candidates could not be more diametrically opposed in terms of their positions, their agendas, their policy beliefs.
Binanggit ni Call ang mahahalagang mga issue na kinahaharap ngayon ng bansa, kabilang na ang ekonomiya, immigration at ang Korte Suprema. Anya, milyon-milyong mga tao ang manunood kung kaya't maaaring mabago ang naratibo ng eleksyon, depende sa kung paanong magsasagutan ang dalawang kandidato.
So much is at stake at the election given the country remains so polarized and there's such important issues like the economy, immigration, abortion, the Supreme Court, and other things. And so this election will be very impactful. And having a debate like this so early in the process in June really shifts the narrative of the race and shows what it's all about. Tens of millions of people are going to tune in. The debaters only have an opportunity to make one first positive impression on the debate stage. And so the stakes couldn't be higher.
Dagdag pa ni Carl, inaasahang magpo-focus ang mga debate sa mga issue at hindi sa ataking personal, kung kaya't maraming pagbabago sa tuntunin ng debate tulad na lang ng pag-mute ng mikropono at walang live audience. Ito anya ay malaking tulong para sa mga manunood na nais talagang makahanap ng desisyon.
That's the goal. All these different rule changes, no live audience, the muting of microphones, and things like that are designed for a more issue and substance-focused debate, as opposed to the one in Cleveland in 2020 that was marred by interruptions, ad hominem attacks, and things like that. So that's certainly the desire of CNN, the moderators, and it'd be most beneficial to the public and undecided voters.
Jeff Sanidad para sa Mata ng Agila International. Trusted, connected, on point.